Also, if you wanted to look at rocks or minerals or things like that, you would want to use one of these binocular microscopes. They're also called stereo microscopes, also called dissecting microscopes. Now, these are lower power. This particular one here goes from 40 times up to 100 times, or you can, actually 400 times, sorry. This one here goes from 20 times to 40 times, so it's lower magnification. Notice the light. Where's the light coming from? Above this time. It's not coming from below and have to go through it. So with this one here, I just want to walk you through a couple of the features of it. First of all, I've got my non-moving little creature on there. If you had a live specimen, you could put it in a petri dish with a glass cover. So you could look at a live specimen, but you just don't want to get it out. We good with that? Now, first things first, we've got two eyes to look through. Now, I'm a glasses wearer. When I use these, I take my glasses off. Sorry, just wanted to talk out. At the side, there's a little bit of a rubber bit. Those flared bits go on the outside. Don't worry about focusing. Everyone's distance between their eyes is different. So you look through and you'll see two circles of light, and when they overlap into one, you've got the right distance. So when it's your turn, you'll need to adjust that first. Okay, so I'm looking through, I've got my specimen here. I don't want it fixed. I want to be able to move it around so I can find it, and there it is there. Now once I find it, I need to focus it. This one here is the focus dial. This one's got a couple of different, the monocular's got a couple of different ones. This one here has just one. Notice it just moves the lenses up and down. Yep, and that'll bring it into focus or out of focus. So you focus it for you. Last thing I did want to talk about is that there are actually a couple of different lenses here. There's a 2 times magnification down there and a 10 up here. What's 2 times 10?
20.
So that makes it 20 times bigger. I can switch this to a 4 times. What's 4 times 10?
40.
40 times. So I've got a choice between 20 or 40 times. So you can get closer if you need to, or if it's too big, you can zoom back to 20 times. Golden rule of microscopes, apart from don't drop them because they're expensive, when you carry them 2 hands, please. But don't touch the lenses. The lenses are up there and under there. Keep your greasy mitts off them because they get dirty. Even your hands, if they're clean, have got oil and stuff on them. So you are going to be having a look here. This is going to help you to describe it. You are going to, if those of you, if you've got access to cameras, you might be able to get a nice clear image, and with permission from your teacher, you can hold your camera up to one of the lenses. You might even be able, that rubber bit may come off, and look at your screen and get a nice clear image and take a snapshot that you can upload. We good?
Yeah.
Awesome.